It seems like we're just doing an awful lot of radios lately. I mean, it's getting to be silly at this point. But what we have here is a Toyota Camry? Camry. This is a Toyota Camry. We're gonna put a radio on it real quick, and then, you know, whatever. We're putting in the universal. Fernando's calling me. Let's go see what he wants. What is it?
Just in case if you need one pen, you know.
Well, you know, do they have his name on them? Oh, they're from the Hilton.
Hilton.
Oh.
Somebody working in the Hilton.
I guess so. Wow. All right. That's a lot of pens.
That's a lot of pens.
If you need a pen, check this guy out. All right, we're gonna use the BK UPK 750 Universal Pocket, the 1761 harness. We have an ABC radio. You guys know what that means. All right, so. I don't know what that noise was. Either way, let's get it in. All right, Fernando, is this one done?
This is done.
Hot damn. Okay, as usual.
On to the next one.
I love quick ones like this. Makes life so much better. Hey guys, so the next car we're working on just happens to be a Toyota Corolla. And yes, I just walked around the back side of the car to make sure it was a Toyota Corolla. Apparently I get the makes wrong sometimes. You guys keep telling me. Chevy, they're all the same. Just saying. Malibu, Impala. Same. Anyways, we got a Toyota Corolla. Let's take a look at the dash real quick. All right, so we got this guy here. Things to note while working on this car are these guys right here, these little doors. Especially this one. These hinges, they break a lot. Like, the fact that this one actually works is really impressive, because most of the time it's broken here or it's broken here, and these things are just like kind of stuck closed. We've had people double side tape them closed. You want to be careful with these. These air conditioning knobs come off. Well, first you have to pull this guy off. This just lifts off, no big deal. So you have to pull the center knob off, and then there's one Phillips screw right here. And then what you want to do is when you come down here, and right at this point, this is kind of, you want to grab, just kind of work your hand underneath and gently caress this out. Like that. And just kind of work up. And then go ahead and unplug everything. All right, then set that over on the bench. Now, to get the radio out of this, there's 4 10mm bolts right across the bottom here. There's nothing on the top. There's actually just some teeth that kind of stick up, but yeah, there's nothing other than these 4 10mm bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and get those out. And now this whole piece is gonna come out. And once you get the bottom a little loose, you wanna, yep, there you go. See up here, these are the little tabs I'm talking about. So if it's sticking, just go ahead and take your thingy and pry it in there. All right, let's take this over to the bench and we'll put the new radio in its place. Now, once you get the radio out of the dash, you need to remove the radio from this front housing. And basically what we have here is a set of clips here and then 2 more on the other side. So what you want to do is kind of take a flathead screwdriver and just kind of work this area up here at the same time, kind of pry these up. Now you also have 3 more pins that stick up that lock into this. So you gotta kind of get in there and work these. And once you get it out a little bit, just like that, you flip it over to the other side, and you repeat the process. And and then it pops right off, and you're done with this. You don't need any of the brackets or anything like that. Now the kit we used for this is the BKTOYK 958, and of course we used the 1761 harness, which is right here. We've already got that made up. So on the kit itself, it only really has these little nipples on the top that are gonna pop into here. So all you gotta do is go ahead and slide it into place. Just like that, and you're done. That's all you gotta do. This goes on a heck of a lot easier than it comes off. So on the bottom you have the 4 screw points. So at this point we're ready to go into the car and screw this back in. So now what we want to do is turn it on and make sure it works. All right, we're good. Now what we want to do is put those 4 10mm back in. Now gently snap it back in place. Make sure your wires are out of the way. Put your 1 screw back in. Now these knobs, they have a tooth. As you can see, there's a tooth right here. So when you're putting these back on, make sure you line up the tooth. It's best to put it to the extreme right or to the extreme left when you pull it off. That way you know which direction the tooth is. And then of course, plug in your cigarette lighter and snap the bottom panel on, and you're done. Just like that. What do you say, Fernando?
And you done.
I just said that.
Yeah.
Either way, on to the next one.